Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. So guys, today I'm going to come to you with a hair tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how I cut my bobs, and this is going to be a short bob that I'm making for myself. So if you want to see how I do it, continue to watch. First things first, what I did is I went ahead and I straightened the hair to ensure that everything is flat and smooth before I proceed to cutting. So I'm not a professional at cutting, so please don't come for me. I'm just doing what I learned to do. I am self-taught. I didn't go to school or anything. So what I'm doing is I cut one portion of the front, and then I'm going to use that as a guide to go all the way around. As you can see, the method that I'm using is like section by section. What I'm doing is parting off a little section and then line it up with the part that I already cut to ensure that I get an even cut all the way around. So some people like to use like these clippers, some people like to use shears, but I specifically love to use clippers because I don't know how to use the shears as yet. After cutting the section, I like to tilt the mannequin head over so that I can get all the straggly ears underneath, because that's how it will look if you don't cut it. You will have all those shaggy edges or straggly hairs underneath whenever your client bend or hold their head down or something. So you want to bend the mannequin head over and cut those out because it does not look pleasing. I would always suggest that you cut the unit. If you're a beginner, just go ahead and cut the unit a little bit longer than your desired length and then go back in and shape it up instead of cutting it too short, and then you like ruin your entire unit. You don't want that. And guys, look at how nice this hair looks after it has been cut and everything. So all I'm gonna do now is just bump the edges a little bit. I'm not gonna bump it all the way under, just a little bit to give it that nice sleek look. And did I mention that this here is a not no bundles, it's some pack here from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna place a picture up top. It's called the Bravo Brazilian. So that is what I use, and I use 2 packs and a 5x5 closure that I have laying around. It's an old closure, and look at it, it looks super nice, bouncy, stiff wear. I went ahead and add a adjustable strap in the unit, and this unit is 100% glueless. I didn't use any spray, any glue, no mousse, nothing. All I did was just put that thing on, and that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming back. Don't forget to share. Bye.